The professional enterprise BI that is accessible from anywhere via our web portal. Upon visiting the dedicated site, you see the following page, allowing access in multiple languages. The site requires secure access credentials, which can be tailored to the user depending on the user's preset access level. Upon logging into the BI, this page will be displayed, giving an overall glimpse into the operation. The up-to-the-minute sales data for the day, with total number of receipts, is shown in the upper left side. Pertinent sales information, including type of payments accepted, in addition to tips and sales tax collected, are displayed directly below. To the top right, total sales and receipts for the week and month are displayed. To the far right, sales data from every day of the current month are also listed. Quick comparison. The top left starts with the Notice button. This allows messages to be sent and displayed to employees and managers on the POS system at the store for a single store, a group of stores, or the entire franchise. Note that we are logging as the franchisor with franchisees or headquarters for corporate franchises that own all stores. So headquarters is able to see all locations, but franchisees or master franchisees will only be able to view their own location's data. The next button indicates the location or combined locations being viewed. If you have multiple locations or are the corporate headquarters, you will be able to select or search for a specific location. Reports can be provided for a single location or all locations. In this overview, we will review the 8 sections to the left and all of each section's functions. Details on each function are provided in other videos by section. On the left side, there are 8 sections starting with 1. Basic setting. 2. Manager function. 3. Customer. 4. Operations report. 5. Sales reports. 6. Settings. 7. Inventory management. And 8. Online services. We start with the first section on the left, the Basic Settings section, with 5 parts indicated by 5 tabs on the top. This section applies to the setting of the POS system and its related components. The first tab is Store Management and contains Group Management, Store Info, POS List sections. The second tab is Employee Management and contains Employee Group, Employee Info, Weekly Employee Scheduler. The third tab is Menu Management and contains Menu Setup, Pricing Controls, Kitchen Memo, Item Recipe Manager, Pricing by Store Recipe Builder, Item Management, Option Wizard, Kiosk Menu Setup. The fourth tab is Pos Screen Layout and contains Table Location Manager, Main Screen Setting, Table Screen Setting, Order Screen Button, Tender Screen Setting, Kiosk Image Settings, Kiosk Tender Screen Setting. The fifth tab is Other Settings containing Discount, Tear, Cash Drawer, Cash Drawer Memo, Warehouse Management, Surcharge, Surcharge for Modifier, Kitchen Printer, Accounting, Beginning Inventory, Zip Code Setting. The second section on the left is Manager function with 5 features including Announcement, Payroll, Time Card Tree, Employee Schedule Summary. The third section on the left is labeled Customer and is comprised of 5 features including Customer Group, Customer Management, Membership List, Customer Point History, Coupon Report. Operations Report is the fourth section on the left, with 14 features. This section offers reporting by various categories that are typically used in comparative analytics. The section starts with monthly comparison, yearly comparison, total sales summary by item, total category sales by store, total item sales by store, total store sales by category, total store sales by item, total sales hour by item, total sales item by hour, total sales week by item, total sales item by week, total POS sales by store, store inventory and cost by category, total store sales by supplier. The fifth section on the left is one that is utilized frequently and labeled Sales Reports. It contains all the sales reports needed to oversee, understand, and analyze your operations or an entire franchise. This section has 8 parts, indicated by 8 tabs at the top. The first tab is Sales Reports and contains Daily Sales Report, Detailed Sales List, Sales by Receipt, Customer Detailed Sales Report, Customer Sales Total, Modifier Submenu Sales Summary, Table Group Sales Report, Modifier Sales, Sales Tier List, Gift Card Detail List, Survey of Zip Codes, Sales by Delivery Report, Sales Record by Person Ordering, Sales Record by Person Ordering to, Cash In Out, Sales Report by Card Type, Sales Total by Table, Detailed Sales List to, Sales Report by Card Type Detail, Cashier Out End of Day, Business Summary Report, which is a widely used report. The second tab is the Sales Analysis tab and contains Simplified Sales Total by Hour, Simplified Sales Total Hourly Sales, Hourly Sales every 15 minutes, Time of Day Sales Report, Sales Volume by Account Type, Top Sales Item List, Tender Type Report, Sales Volume by Item Type, Category reported by Store Operation Hour, Daily Sales Record Chart, Monthly Sales Record Chart, Monthly Sales Record Chart by Category, Days of the Week Sales, Days of the Week Detailed Sales, Sales Summary, Sales Total, ABC Profit Report, ABC Top Item, Simplified Sales Total by Hour excluding tips, Inventory Usage Report, Daily Product Mix, Hourly Sales by Weekly, Labor versus Sales. The third tab is Discount Status and contains Sales Discount Report, Sales Discount Summary. The fourth tab is Void Return and contains Void Summary, Void Detail, Refund Summary, Refund Detail. The fifth tab is Tax and contains Tax Detail, Tax Summary, No Tax Sale Report, Tax Summary by POS. The sixth tab is History tab and Item Price Change History, Modifier Item Price Change History, Cash Drawer Open History. The seventh tab is Employee and contains Employee Tips, Employee Sales Data by Hour, Employee Total Working Hours, Sales Record by Employee, Sales Record by Employee Date. The eighth tab is Canceled Order and contains canceled order details, canceled order summary. The sixth section on the left is Setting, with 9 parts, indicated by 9 tabs on the top. The section applies to operational settings. The first tab is Store and contains store information, store option, tax, business hours, weight options, cash drawer, staff bank, tip, auto pop-up windows, surcharge, delivery charge setting, table view, bar tab, EOD option, catering, cashier in-out, discount, order screen option, tablet, store policy, order number, kiosk store policy, kiosk option, kiosk advertising. The second tab is POS and contains printer, MSR, customer display, scanner, credit card, caller ID, weight scale, guest pager, flex gift card, bar tab type, pager numbers, POS information, multi-cash drawer. The third tab is Network Server and contains email server. The fourth tab is Membership and contains point accumulation ratio, gift card, coupon. The fifth tab is Security and contains employee security, security level, audit log, use security function by tasks. The sixth tab is Payment Options and contains merchant processing, credit card settlement option, credit card option. The seventh tab is Print Options and contains customer order print, kitchen order print, waiting list tag, others, receipt. The eighth tab is Employee and contains payroll, clock in-out setting, holiday, paychecks. The ninth tab is Data Initialize and contains Data Initialize. Inventory Management is the seventh section on the left, with 4 parts indicated by 4 tabs on the top. This section is widely used by management, especially in multi-store settings, and can give an operation tight controls over its inventory. The first tab is Inventory and contains Inventory Lookup, Inventory Adjustments, Internal Transfer, Internal Transfer Request. The second tab is Accounting and contains Payable Report, Receivable Report, Supplier Ledger, Customer Ledger, Receiving Payment, Sending Payment. The third tab is Request Order Receiving and contains Item, Inventory Request, Inventory Out, Inventory In, Purchase Order, PO Receiving. The fourth tab is Supplier and contains Supplier Setting. The eighth section is Online Service, which applies to Sintel Systems direct-to-POS online ordering. The feature allows customers to place orders online or with a mobile app, which is then sent directly to the POS without the involvement of any third parties. Functions within this section include Store Information, Delivery Charge Setting, Menu Cloud Setting, Online Order Image Setting, Delivery Area Management, Zip Code Setting, Online Order Sales Report, Online Order Store Open. This concludes the summary demonstration of the sections and functions with the Business Intelligence and Back Office Unit. Each of the 8 sections mentioned above will have a dedicated demonstration which will exhibit each of the functions within each section. As an example here, the 5th section, Sales Report, showed Business Summary Report as the last function of the first tab. In the Sale Report demo, that function will be detailed more, as shown here. Under Sintel Systems All-Inclusive Support Plan, the Business Intelligence Unit will be delivered fully pre-configured and ready to go. With unlimited training, our clients of all sizes will use the BI tools effectively to drive successful operations. With continuous BI upgrades with new and more powerful functions, our vast portfolio of global clients are always delivered the latest solutions. Please visit www.sintelsystems.com and see what our clients say about us in the testimonial section of our website. Contact us to take your single location or franchise to the next level.